Alright guys, well, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another video and another install. So in this video we're going to be installing the fog lights that I mentioned in my previous video, which was the 6th gen conversion bumper. So these are eBay. I'm going to unbox them for y'all and show y'all the quality of eBay fog lights and what to expect more than anything, and of course how to wire them. So stay tuned and let's just go ahead and unbox them. Well, this is the box. This is where the fog lights come in. So I'm going to be unboxing it real quick. As you can see, I still don't have the bumper in because as soon as I put the bumper, well, these lights will be automatically in there by the end of the install. So I have to make the unboxing before. So this video is made before, but this video would be uploaded after the bumper's in there. So let me go ahead and open it real quick. Okay, so when we open this, the first thing we see is that there's padding right here. You're going to open it, and as you can tell, it's packaged really well. You see how thick that is? These headlights ain't going nowhere. You know, they took the time to package it. So I just want to show you how just because you buy it on eBay, just because it's cheap doesn't mean it's bad. You know, like I said, I bought so many parts from eBay. So here you find your padding. Here you find how they're with plastic, and then the pigtail. And I'll show you if I do the installment how I use that pigtail. But you can see here in the video, I'm about to test it with this 12-volt battery, and then I'll go ahead and show you that part too. As you can see, it's very bright. You see that's normal right there, and that's just me controlling the brightness. I mean, it looks good. Now the only thing that I do have to test is just durability, you know. That's just a simple connection. But how does it do in a week? How does it do in a month? How does it do in a year? You know, then that would be the difference. But as always, I'll be reviewing that with the time. For this review, I'll probably give it like a week and a half, 2 weeks, see if there's no issues. That way I put this video for y'all, because I know as the conversion gets a little bit more popular. So for now, this is the unboxing, and I'll see y'all when this bumper is installed. Okay, alright, well, welcome to the installation part. I already did the connections necessary, that way I don't spend y'all's time. Nothing too hard, you just splice those wires, connect them. Make sure on your fog lights, your cables might be different. I don't know about other fog lights, but in this case, for this fog lights, the white one's gonna be the negative and the black positive. And the car is gonna be blue, it's gonna be positive, and black negative. So just keep that in mind, and all we gotta do is just plug this in the car, plug it in these on the DRLs, and that's it. So I'll see you outside. Well, here they are. They look really nice. The camera does not do this justice. Somehow they look a little bit brighter than the halos, but they are the same brightness. They're bright, really good. Fitment is perfect. The installment is easy. No issues. I tested them for 2 weeks and no issues whatsoever. So I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10, honestly. There was really no work done to it. Make sure you zip tie it though. You do need a zip tie. You don't want no accidents to happen. But this build is doing good. A lot more things to come, but man, I never thought I would get this far with my car. Right guys, well, this is the end of the video. I appreciate you staying and watching this and watching how the Stormtrooper gets bigger and better. And I do have a lot of cosmetic mods right now, and I have a lot of them planned, but sooner or later I'll get into the motor. I'll get some headers, since 2011s and 10s do have headers. I will get headers. I have a lot of big plans for this car. So I appreciate you. If you like what I'm doing, follow me on Instagram. Show me some love there, and see you till next time.